Hi guys, good morning. So today is 2nd of December and right now it is 9:30 or 10 and I woke up this early. The reason being कि I'm going for a blood test because I was not keeping up well since last couple of days. Actually it's been more than a week that I'm not keeping up well. I even mentioned this on my stories also. So yeah, I'm going for test, but before that I cannot start my day without a cup of tea. So when it does not extra nikale to have my tea, so I am having it here. I am someone who cannot stay a single day without tea. I guess I even said that in my get to know me tag also. So yeah, after getting my blood test, then I'll tell you the plan of action for today and everything. So yeah. So guys, I am back home. मैं थोड़े टाइम पहले ही आ गई थी. I was here around 1 or 1:30 और it took me so long and I was so hungry since 8. तो मैं जैसे ही आई I started eating. तो मैं record नहीं कर पाई that what I was having. I'm so sorry. But yeah, and the plan of action for today is that today it is 2nd of December and on 1st it was my mother's birthday and my best friend's birthday and I couldn't celebrate both birthdays because I was not well. So yeah, today we have decided to celebrate and for my mother's birthday we are going out for dinner, which I'll obviously take you guys along with me. And for my best friend's birthday what I am going to do is I'm going to go and meet her and have छोटू सा celebrations because she is busy. उसके घर पे शादी है तो I'm not even sure if she'll be able to meet me or not, but let's see how everything goes. I'll obviously let you guys know everything. And yeah, right now I am just watching Lives of Bollywood Wives. It is amazing and I am on episode 4th. It is half done already. It is amazing. I am loving it honestly. So yeah, that I'll just binge watch right now and I'll do nothing because I have nothing to do. Then I guess I'll just wash my hair and थोड़ा सा dress up हो जाऊंगी. So yeah, I'll meet you guys in a bit. Hi everyone, this is Ritika and this is Bolt yawning. We are over here to take over Saraksha's vlog and I know she's really boring, so here we come. 1 second. So guys, change in plan because चाहत के घर पे शादी है जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था, तो शी इज़ रियली बिजी देयर. तो फिर मुझे फिर कुछ H&M से चीज़ें चाहिए थी तो मैं H&M जा रही हूँ एंड माई मॉम ऑल्सो वांटेड टू रन सम एरेंड्स. तो उन्हें भी बिग बाज़ार में काम है तो शी इज़ कमिंग अलॉन्ग विथ मी. पहले मैं अकेले जा रही थी बट नाउ आई हैव अ कंपनी एंड मेरी छोटी बहन भी चल रही है हमारे साथ एंड आई हैव बुक द ओला कैब. एंड मैं इतना फास्ट बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि कैब वाले भैया आने वाले हैं. So तभी and I am wearing this really cute top from Shein and pants underneath which you guys can't see probably. वो मैंने H&M से ली है. I am in love with this outfit. Not अभी से ही, मुझे पहले से ये outfit बहुत पसंद है. मतलब ये टॉप को छोड़ के I just go with these pants और उसके ऊपर I just change the top because it is a comfiest outfit. अगर मुझे कहीं भी छोटा मोटा यहाँ काम होता है तो मैं ऐसे ही पेयर करके जाती हूँ. इफ़ यू गाइज विल सी मी तो मैं ऐसे ही आउटफिट्स में रहती हूँ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. एंड या तो मैंने इसके साथ ये हुप्स पेयर अप किए हैं. दीज आर ऑल्सो फ्रॉम H&M और मैंने लाइनर लगाया है आफ्टर एजेस यू गाइज बिकॉज ना मुझे कल मेरा एक ओल्ड लाइनर मिला विच वॉज माई फेवरेट तो मैंने आज लगाया. इट इज़ नॉट क्या बोलते हैं सेम नहीं है बट आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट टू मेक देम सेम सिमिलर. सो या एंड मैंने ना फेस पे कुछ भी मेकअप नहीं लगाया. द रीज़न बीइंग कि मैंने ना फेस शेप किया था फ्यू डेज़ बैक तो मुझे उसका रिएक्शन हुआ है बिकॉज वो रॉन्ग रेज़र यूज़ कर लिया था मैंने तो उसका रिएक्शन हुआ है. तो आई एम अवॉइडिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ मेकअप. उसके अच्छा मैं कोई वीडियोस भी नहीं शूट कर पा रही, मेकअप वीडियोस तो कुछ भी नहीं शूट कर पा रही बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट देम टू गो. सो या तो पर मैंने ब्लश लगाया है बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट गो आउट विदाउट ब्लश एंड लिपस्टिक एंड या और हाथ में स्क्रंची और रिंग है दैट इज़ तो हमेशा रहता ही है. सो या आई मीट यू गाइज जब मैं वहाँ पहुँच जाऊँगी या कुछ भी. आई जस्ट शो यू वॉट एवर इट इज़. या I just reached home and I have to rush back again, as I told you guys that we are going out to celebrate my mother's birthday. So I guess I'll see you in a cab only. Bye. So right now it is currently, I guess, around 8ish and we are out and about. We are already in a car and here's my mother, my sister and a sister here which you guys can't see probably. I'll make you meet her later on. So yeah, and I have put not any makeup right now. I'll just put it when we're about to reach and I'll show you guys around everything. And मैंने mask पहना है but to talk to you मैंने उतारा है. Can you guys see the moon? It is so red. It is so amazing. मस्त लग रहा है काफी. I hope you all can see. I did little bit of my not touch up, basically everything. I just add some blush and earrings and necklace and rings. That's it, and little mascara which you guys obviously can't see. And it is very hot, बहुत पसीना आ रहा है. And stupid me, I wore sweatshirt. But ठीक है, never mind. The place is really nice. I'll show you guys around. I'll show you अच्छे से later on. But the waiting is बहुत ज़्यादा, तो पता नहीं क्यों बट बहुत ज़्यादा वेटिंग है. एंड आई एम रियली लाइकिंग माई इयरिंग्स. आई गॉट देम फ्रॉम H&M. दे आर रियली नाइस. सी finally got a table and it feels like a task, to be honest. Itna time, but ठीक है, I guess it will be worth it. I'll let you guys know कि worth it था या नहीं. So my first order is here and I'm really excited for this. That's why I'm showing you. I got myself a glass of wine, red wine. I have not tried wine ever and this is first time I'm having it. I'm really excited. I really wanted to record my reaction. So let's see. Cheers. It is really nice. इनिशियली वो बहुत कड़वा लग रहा था. नॉट कड़वा एक्चुअली बट वियर्ड था, अलग था. बट एट द एंड जब वो कंटिन्यू आई वाज सिपिंग ऑन, इट वाज नाइस. आई विल ट्राई अगेन. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई ट्राई द वाइट वाइन और समथिंग एल्स, आई डोंट नो. So yeah, there are amazing songs playing on. I am loving it. It is amazing. The feel is amazing. So I guess waiting was totally worth it. Guys, we are done and we are leaving and I'll show you which restaurant we were in. It was amazing. I'll just show you in a bit. Only problem it had was कि wait करना पड़ता है around 2 hours, which is a big no-no for me. तो yeah, that is a big concern कि अगर तो और they don't even pick calls to book your table or anything. तो सिर्फ एक ही वो बुरी चीज़ है. breast, it was amazing. The ambience was amazing. The food was amazing. Everything was, yeah. So now let's go back home. So reached home. Finally back home. You can see the love coming in. Yeah, now I'll just change and watch Big Boss because आज का episode is pending, so I have to watch that. Then I'll probably sleep. Nothing much to show more. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my vlog because so many of you asked me to vlog and everything. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see next. Do you want to see more vlogs? Do you find my life little interesting or whatever it is? Just let me know in the comment section below. And if you have come this far, I hope you subscribe and like my video. I love you all so much.